Hello friends, welcome to Learning Friends Academy, and in this video lecture we'll discuss the shortcut how to learn the names of the vitamins. So let's begin our class. So there are two types of vitamins, water soluble and fat soluble. In water soluble vitamin B and C comes, whereas in fat soluble A, D, E, K. So let's try to remember the names. So here are the names of the same. That is, on the leftmost side you'll find the vitamin, and in middle you'll find the name, and here, if any trick, so you'll find here. So A is a retinol, which is related to retina, and the diseases are eye related. Whereas in the second row you can learn B1, B2, B3. So in chunks you have to learn. Okay, and that is B1, B2, B3. Thus you have to say TRN. That is thiamine, riboflavin and niacin. Next, in second chunk you need to remember B5, B6, B7, and 5 we use pent. So the name of the fifth one is pentathenic. So something similar to pent. Okay, pentathenic or panthenic. Okay, so instead of panthenic or pentathenic, you just remember with pent. Next is B6, that is pyridoxine. So 6. Okay, pyridoxine. So here the 6 sound comes, so with this you can remember B6. And next is biotin, which is an exceptional, so it is ppb. Next is B11 and B12. So there is no B8, B9, B10. So B11 and B12 are folic and cyanocobalamin. Okay. So this you can remember easily. And let's move on to the CDEK. So C is an acid, as it is a water soluble, and all the acids are soluble in water. So it is ascorbic acid, and all the sources which are citrus, in all those sources you can find this ascorbic acid. Next is D, that is calciferol. Okay, and it is mostly, it could be found in the rays of the sun. Okay, and the disease which gets is rickets. So calciferol, here the name of the vitamin is D, but the name, its initial letter starts with C. So just don't confuse. So vitamin is D, whereas the name is calciferol. It means it starts with C. Next is E, that is tocopherol. So after C comes D. Okay, but here tocopherol. So you can remember with the help of CT scan. Okay, after C it comes CT scan. So after C comes the T. Okay, in scanning. Next is K, piloquinine, and it is a non due to deficiency of vitamin K. Disease which is related is non-clotting of blood. Okay, so let me revise you once again. A is retinol, B1, B2, B3, that is TRN, that is thiamine, riboflavin and niacin. B5, B6, B7. So B5 and B6 is pantothenic acid, pyridoxine and biotin. B11, B12 is folic and cyanocobalamin, and CDEF, that is ascorbic, calciferol, tocopherol, piloquinine. Okay, so that's all friends, and please share and subscribe if you like the video, and if you want the notification for the next upcoming video lectures, so please press the bell icon.